Welcome back to Power Tool Review, where we bring you the latest and most exciting tools worth checking out. Today, we're diving into 18 new coolest Metabo tools on Amazon that are turning heads among DIY enthusiasts, contractors, and workshop professionals. From powerful grinders and precision cutting tools to heavy-duty nailers and advanced impact wrenches, this lineup offers something for nearly every job. Whether you're upgrading your toolbox or searching for innovative equipment to boost productivity, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell today. Power Drive Framing Nailer. The Power Drive Framing Nailer is designed for professionals who demand speed, precision, and reliability on every job. Built to handle demanding framing applications, this nailer delivers consistent driving power while helping reduce user fatigue during long workdays. Its well-balanced construction improves control, allowing me to place nails accurately, even in challenging positions. The durable housing stands up to tough environments, making it a dependable addition to any tool collection. I also appreciate the efficient loading mechanism that keeps downtime to a minimum and productivity at a maximum. Whether working on framing, decking, remodeling, or structural projects, this tool provides impressive performance from start to finish. If you're looking for a framing nailer that combines power, durability, and ease of use, this model deserves serious consideration. Rebar Master Bender Cutter. The Rebar Master Bender Cutter is an excellent solution for construction professionals who frequently work with reinforcing steel. Combining bending and cutting capabilities into one efficient tool, it helps streamline demanding tasks while reducing the need for multiple pieces of equipment. I like how it delivers clean cuts and precise bends, helping improve accuracy and consistency on every project. Its rugged design is built for challenging job site conditions and provides dependable performance day after day. The ergonomic controls contribute to a more comfortable working experience, especially during extended use. Whether handling foundation work, structural reinforcement, or commercial construction projects, this tool can significantly improve efficiency. For users seeking a practical and reliable rebar solution, the Rebar Master Bender Cutter offers impressive versatility, durability, and productivity-enhancing features that make demanding jobs easier. Turbo Grip Angle Grinder Pro. The Turbo Grip Angle Grinder Pro is built for users who need dependable grinding, cutting, and surface preparation performance. Its powerful motor delivers strong output for handling a variety of demanding materials, including metal, masonry, and other tough surfaces. I immediately noticed how comfortable the grip feels, providing excellent control and reducing strain during longer projects. The grinder's compact design makes it easier to maneuver in tighter spaces without sacrificing performance. Built with durability in mind, it stands up well to heavy-duty use in workshops and construction environments. Whether removing rust, cutting metal stock, or preparing surfaces for finishing work, this tool consistently delivers reliable results. For professionals and serious DIY users alike, the Turbo Grip Angle Grinder Pro offers a great balance of power, comfort, efficiency, and long-term reliability. Ultra Compact Power Toolkit. The Ultra Compact Power Toolkit is a versatile package designed for users who value convenience, portability, and dependable performance. Featuring multiple essential tools in one compact system, it helps tackle a wide range of projects without requiring a crowded toolbox. I appreciate how the lightweight design makes transportation easy while still providing the power needed for demanding tasks. Each tool is engineered for comfort, allowing extended use with reduced fatigue and improved handling. The kit is especially useful for maintenance work, home improvement projects, installations, and general repairs. Its organized storage solution keeps everything accessible and ready for action whenever needed. Whether you're expanding your collection or seeking an all-in-one setup, the Ultra Compact Power Toolkit offers practical versatility, efficient operation, excellent portability, and dependable performance for everyday applications. FlexHead Inox Grinder Pro. The FlexHead Inox Grinder Pro is engineered specifically for demanding metalworking applications where precision and performance matter most often. Designed to handle stainless steel and other challenging materials, this grinder delivers smooth, consistent operation across a variety of tasks. I really like the flexible head design because it improves access to difficult angles and hard-to-reach areas. The powerful motor provides excellent material removal while maintaining control and accuracy throughout the process. Built with durability in mind, the grinder can withstand frequent professional use in fabrication shops and industrial environments. Its ergonomic construction helps reduce user fatigue, allowing longer working sessions with greater comfort. For weld finishing, surface preparation, polishing, and detailed metalwork, the FlexHead Inox Grinder Pro offers outstanding versatility, reliability, efficiency, and professional-grade results every day. ProForce Variable Grinder Max. The ProForce Variable Grinder Max is built for users who need flexibility, control, and powerful performance in a single tool. Featuring adjustable speed settings, it allows me to match the grinder's output to different materials and applications with ease. Whether performing aggressive material removal or detailed finishing work, the variable speed capability helps achieve better results. The sturdy construction is designed to withstand demanding job site conditions while maintaining reliable operation over time. I also appreciate the comfortable grip and balanced design, which help reduce fatigue during extended projects. From grinding and polishing to cutting and surface preparation, this grinder handles a wide range of tasks effectively. For professionals seeking versatility and dependable performance, the ProForce Variable Grinder Max is a strong addition to any tool collection available today.
Quick Grip Angle Grinder X1. The Quick Grip Angle Grinder X1 is designed for users who prioritize comfort, efficiency, and dependable cutting performance. Its ergonomic grip design immediately stands out, helping improve control and reduce strain during demanding jobs. I found that the lightweight construction makes it easier to maneuver while still delivering the power required for heavy-duty applications. Whether cutting metal, grinding welds, or preparing surfaces, this grinder offers consistent results across various tasks. The durable housing helps protect internal components from tough working environments, ensuring long-term reliability. Quick accessory changes contribute to increased productivity by minimizing interruptions throughout the workday. Ideal for workshops, fabrication tasks, and construction projects, the Quick Grip Angle Grinder X1 provides an impressive combination of performance, comfort, durability, versatility, and versatility that many users will appreciate every day. Precision Cut Miter Saw Pro. The Precision Cut Miter Saw Pro is engineered to deliver accurate cuts for woodworking, trim installation, and construction projects. Built with precision in mind, it helps create clean, professional results across a variety of materials. I appreciate the smooth cutting action and reliable alignment system that contribute to improved accuracy on every cut. The sturdy base enhances stability, allowing confident operation even during demanding tasks. Its user-friendly controls make adjustments straightforward, helping save time and improve workflow efficiency. Whether creating angled cuts, cross cuts, or detailed finish work, this saw performs consistently and reliably. Designed for both professionals and serious DIY users, the Precision Cut Miter Saw Pro offers excellent cutting capability, dependable performance, durability, and precision. It is a valuable addition to any workshop focused on quality craftsmanship and productivity.
Smooth Finish Orbital Sander. The Smooth Finish Orbital Sander is an excellent tool for achieving refined surfaces with minimal effort. Designed for sanding wood, paint, filler, and other materials, it helps create a professional quality finish on various projects. I really like how the orbital action minimizes visible sanding marks while delivering consistent performance throughout the job. Its lightweight design improves maneuverability and makes extended use more comfortable. Effective dust management helps maintain a cleaner workspace and improves overall efficiency during sanding operations. The ergonomic grip contributes to better control and reduced fatigue, particularly during longer sessions. Whether preparing furniture, cabinetry, or construction materials for finishing, this sander consistently delivers impressive results. For users seeking smooth performance, comfort, reliability, and high-quality surface preparation, the Smooth Finish Orbital Sander is definitely worth considering today. Ultracut Rear Handle Saw. The Ultracut Rear Handle Saw is built to provide exceptional power and control for demanding projects. Its rear handle configuration helps improve balance and allows better handling during long cutting sessions. I appreciate how confidently it tackles framing lumber, sheet materials, and other challenging construction applications. The powerful motor delivers strong cutting performance while maintaining smooth operation across a variety of tasks. Designed for durability, this saw is capable of handling tough job site environments without compromising reliability. User-focused features help improve comfort and reduce fatigue throughout extended work periods. Whether working on framing projects, renovations, or large-scale construction jobs, this tool offers dependable results and impressive productivity. For professionals seeking power, precision, durability, and comfort, the Ultracut Rear Handle Saw stands out as a reliable and capable cutting solution.
ProShine Burnisher Kit Max. The ProShine Burnisher Kit Max is designed to deliver exceptional polishing and finishing results across a variety of surfaces. Built for demanding professional applications, it helps create smooth, polished finishes with impressive consistency. I like how the powerful motor maintains performance, even when tackling larger projects that require extended operating time. The ergonomic design improves handling and reduces user fatigue, making long sessions more comfortable. Included accessories enhance versatility and allow the tool to adapt to different finishing requirements. Whether restoring metal surfaces, polishing materials, or enhancing the appearance of finished workpieces, this burnisher performs effectively. Its durable construction supports long-term reliability in workshop and industrial environments. For users focused on achieving professional quality finishes, the ProShine Burnisher Kit Max delivers excellent performance, versatility, durability, and overall value every day. Swift Cut Reciprocating Saw. The Swift Cut Reciprocating Saw is engineered for fast, aggressive cutting performance across a wide range of materials. Whether handling demolition work, renovation projects, or general cutting applications, it provides the power needed to get the job done efficiently. I appreciate its balanced design, which improves control while reducing fatigue during demanding tasks. The strong motor delivers consistent cutting capability through wood, metal, and other common construction materials. Quick blade changes help minimize downtime and reduce productivity throughout the workday. Built with durability in mind, this reciprocating saw is ready for tough job site conditions and frequent use. Its comfortable grip and user-friendly controls enhance the overall operating experience. For professionals seeking reliable cutting performance, versatility, durability, and ease of use, the Swift Cut Reciprocating Saw is an excellent option.
Multi-volt reciprocating saw. The multi-volt reciprocating saw combines impressive cutting capability with the convenience of advanced power flexibility. Designed for demanding applications, it delivers strong performance while allowing users to adapt to different work environments. I really like the versatility offered by its innovative power system, which supports extended productivity during challenging projects. The tool provides smooth cutting action through a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and composite products. Its durable construction ensures dependable operation under tough conditions, making it suitable for professional use. Ergonomic features improve comfort and help reduce fatigue during extended work sessions. Quick blade replacement contributes to efficient workflow and minimizes interruptions throughout the day. For demolition, remodeling, and construction tasks, the multi-volt reciprocating saw offers outstanding power, reliability, versatility, and convenience in one capable package. Brushless Metal Nibbler Pro. The Brushless Metal Nibbler Pro is designed for precise cutting applications involving sheet metal and similar materials. Powered by efficient brushless technology, it delivers strong performance while helping users maximize runtime and overall durability. I appreciate how cleanly it cuts without generating excessive heat or material distortion, which is especially important for detailed work. The compact design improves maneuverability and allows access to tighter spaces where precision matters most. Built for professional environments, this nibbler offers dependable operation even during demanding projects. Its ergonomic grip enhances comfort and control, making extended use more manageable. Whether working with metal fabrication, HVAC installations, or custom projects, this tool consistently produces accurate results. For users seeking precision, efficiency, durability, and professional-grade cutting capability, the Brushless Metal Nibbler Pro is an impressive choice.
Power Cut Rear Handle Saw. The Power Cut Rear Handle Saw is engineered to provide serious cutting performance for professionals who demand dependable results. Featuring a rear handle design, it offers improved balance and control when tackling large cutting applications. I found that the powerful motor delivers strong performance through framing materials and other demanding construction components. The durable build quality helps ensure long-term reliability, even in challenging job site conditions. User-focused design elements contribute to greater comfort and reduced fatigue throughout extended work periods. Smooth operation enhances cutting accuracy and helps maintain productivity across various projects. Whether working on structural framing, remodeling, or general construction applications, this saw consistently performs at a high level. For users seeking power, control, durability, and dependable cutting capability, the Power Cut Rear Handle Saw is a worthy addition. Quick Lock Angle Grinder Pro X. The Quick Lock Angle Grinder Pro X is built for users who value efficiency and productivity during grinding and cutting applications. One of its standout features is the Quick Lock accessory system, which helps simplify wheel changes and reduce downtime. I appreciate how this design keeps projects moving smoothly while improving overall workflow.
The grinder delivers strong power output, making it suitable for a variety of demanding tasks involving metal and other materials. Its ergonomic construction enhances comfort and allows better control throughout extended use. Built to withstand tough working environments, it offers dependable performance day after day. Whether performing fabrication work, surface preparation, or cutting operations, this grinder consistently produces reliable results. For professionals seeking convenience, durability, performance, and versatility, the QuickLock Angle Grinder Pro X is an excellent investment today.
PowerEdge Angle Grinder Max-Ups. The PowerEdge Angle Grinder Max-Ups is designed to deliver maximum performance for challenging grinding and cutting applications. Featuring a powerful motor and durable construction, it handles demanding workloads with confidence. I like how the tool maintains smooth operation while providing the strength needed for heavy material removal and precision work alike. The ergonomic design contributes to greater comfort and control, helping reduce fatigue during longer projects. Built with durability in mind, it stands up well to rigorous job site conditions and frequent professional use. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from metal fabrication to surface preparation and finishing work. For users who need reliable performance and long-term dependability, the PowerEdge Angle Grinder Max-Ups offers a strong combination of power, comfort, efficiency, and overall productivity. Torque Force Impact Wrench. The Torque Force Impact Wrench is built to deliver impressive fastening power for demanding professional and workshop applications. Designed to handle stubborn bolts and heavy-duty fastening tasks, it provides strong torque output while maintaining excellent control. I appreciate how the balanced construction improves handling and makes extended use more comfortable. The tool's durable design ensures dependable performance in challenging environments where reliability matters most. Variable settings help adapt performance to different fastening requirements, increasing versatility across a variety of projects. Whether working on automotive repairs, equipment maintenance, or construction-related tasks, this impact wrench consistently delivers the power needed to get results efficiently. For users seeking a combination of strength, durability, convenience, and professional-grade performance, the Torque Force Impact Wrench is a standout tool that deserves serious attention.
Before we wrap up, those were my picks for the 18 new coolest Metabo tools on Amazon that stand out for performance, innovation, and overall value. Whether you're upgrading your workshop, expanding your professional tool collection, or simply looking for reliable equipment, there's something here for every type of project. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.